Enchiladas, I just love them. Great for a snack, great for dinner. So easy to make and simple. So set your oven to 350 and let me show you how to make these. So the first thing you want to do is add about a tablespoon of oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Add in about a pound of lean ground beef. I'll just kind of chop this up here. Then kind of pack it down a little bit. And what this does is give you a crust on the bottom, which is kind of nice. Add that extra little bit of flavor. And just see how we've got a little bit of crust on here, guys. That just adds that beautiful extra flavor. While the beef is frying up, we're going to add in our seasoning, starting with some chili powder, some paprika, cumin, oregano, and of course some salt and pepper. And this is about a teaspoon of each. Go ahead and add this in. Give it a stir around. That smells so good. Now you could just go ahead and use taco seasoning too. I like to make my own just so you know you can control what goes into it. After that, 3 cloves of chopped garlic and half a small chopped onion and a chopped jalapeno. If you don't want jalapeno, you can just leave it out if you want. Just use bell peppers, I guess. And we'll just stir and saute this just until that wonderful aroma fills the air. I just love the smell of onion and garlic frying. Next, in with a couple of tablespoons of tomato paste. This just kind of thickens things up and makes that wonderful tomato flavor. Stir this around till the beef is nicely coated. Now you can add in a tablespoon or 2 of flour, all-purpose flour as well, just to thicken things up, but the tomato paste really does the trick. Next, in with our tomato sauce. And this is about 2½ cups, somewhere in the neighborhood of about 550 milliliters. Stir things up until everything is beautifully combined. Oh my goodness, guys, this is looking and smelling absolutely incredible. After about 5 minutes, kill the heat and we are ready to build our enchiladas. And just look at this, guys. Tomato-y, meaty enchilada goodness. And I tasted this, give it a little taste test, and it is superb. Oh, yum. So the first thing we're going to do to build our enchiladas is spoon up some of that yummy sauce goodness and just spread a bit into the bottom of our baking dish. Grab up a 6-inch tortilla, depending on the size of your casserole dish. Grab up some of that meat sauce and we'll just spoon it into the center of the tortilla. Grab up your grater and grate up some cheese. Now I'm using old cheddar here, but you can use Monterey Jack, Colby, whatever you like. And spread some of that wonderful, wonderful cheese over top. Give it a fold up. You don't have to be too fancy here. And place it into our casserole dish, seam side down. Next up, we're going to spoon some of that wonderful sauce over the top. Now this is about perfect, just like this. I like my enchilada sauce a little on the thick side, but it's entirely up to you. If you want it thinner, you can add a little more tomato sauce or beef stock, anything you like. Some more of that wonderful cheese over the top. You know, you can never have enough cheese. I'm a cheese lover, like a big mouse. Now into a 350-degree Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius preheated oven for about 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, there you have it, my friends, our wonderfully wonderful easy enchiladas. Wow. Of course, I'm gonna garnish this up with some cilantro. Gotta have the fresh stuff. Cilantro over the top. I can hardly wait to dig in. Okay guys, let's plate these up. Oh, they look so good. Okay, let's cut into this and see what we have. Oh. So good. I just love it. Love the seasoning, love the cheese. Oh, just a wonderful enchilada. You gotta make these. Of course, I'm gonna have more.